Making sense of English, articles versus determiners. Hello, language learners. Today we are going to delve deep into English grammar and understand the difference between articles and determiners. Knowing the difference can greatly improve your English skills and make your writing and speaking much more fluent and accurate. Let's dive in. In English, the term article refers to the words a, an, and the. These are used to define the noun that follows them. They can tell us whether the noun is specific or non-specific, singular or plural. A and an are called indefinite articles. They are used to refer to a general idea rather than a specific item. For example, I saw an elephant at the zoo. The elephant could be any elephant, not a specific one. The is called the definite article. It is used to refer to a specific item that both the speaker and listener are aware of. For example, I saw the elephant at the zoo. This refers to a specific elephant that both the speaker and listener know about. Now, let's move on to determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to clarify what the noun refers to. This includes articles a, an, the, demonstratives this, that, these, those, possessive determiners my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and quantifiers many, few, several, every, each. Determiners, essentially, provide context or additional information about the noun. For example, in the sentence, "These apples are delicious," "these" is a demonstrative determiner that tells us which apples the speaker is referring to. So, what's the difference between articles and determiners? Well, articles are a subset of determiners. That means all articles are determiners, but not all determiners are articles. The role of both articles and determiners is to modify a noun, but determiners have a broader function. They can express possession, my book, quantity, several books, or demonstrate specific items, this book. Articles, on the other hand, specifically define whether a noun is specific or non-specific. And there we have it. Now you know the difference between articles and determiners in English. Remember, all articles are determiners, but not all determiners are articles. They're just one part of the greater category of words that modify and give context to nouns. I hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify these often confused elements of English grammar. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.